everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juanita, aka Wills. What is that time of the year? Black Friday deals have come and go, and this year I said, you know what, I'm not gonna go above my budget. I'm just gonna buy the necessary things I really need, from my filming products to skincare. So now let me show you guys what I bought. I'll be giving you the prices. I wrote down, if you see me looking here, I wrote down the prices I got them and how much it retailed for before the Black Friday deal. So first up, let's start with this Bluetooth microphone. That's what I'm actually using now. And I had it, but one of the receiver, that it comes in two receivers. One got missing. So I said, you know what, I'm going to repurchase it because it's really a good one. And I already opened it. I opened it not too long. To be a content creator is not easy. I actually filmed this video a few minutes ago, and for some reasons I checked and it wasn't recording. I was just seeing half of my body. So guys, to be a content creator is not easy. Well, let me say it's easy in Jesus' name. So first up is the Boya microphone. It comes in it has two receivers and I'm sorry guys, and the connector. This goes for $39.99, but I was able to buy it for $29. The Boya microphone is really good. That's what I use presently. I feel it's a steal if you ask me. And then the next on the list is this portable light, because right now it's winter and everywhere is dark. As I'm filming this video now, it's 4:30 p.m, but it's really dark outside, so there's no way I can go to the park and say I want to film videos, or in the house I don't get sunlight anymore because it's winter. That's how it's like when it's winter, you know. So I bought this light and I'm like, okay, anytime I want to film in the night, I would make use of this light. This light goes for, how much is it? It goes for $39.99, but I bought it for $29.99. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna be trying it. Let's see the effects. Let's see if it will truly make a difference. It comes with filters. I don't know. Where did I keep the filters? It comes with filters. Oh. Thank you, baby. It comes with filters. This one is pretty. It looks pretty easy. Just clip this one today. I think you clip it here like so. I did it very well before. Okay, yeah, it has a head here. Then this one, I'll clip it to my phone. Let me see. I can turn it on. Does it make a difference? Does it make a difference? Well, let me hang it to my phone to see. Just hang it. Hold on. Let me try it. Just hang it here. One more. Hey God. I want to just use it. Let's use it as a sort of light. Okay, yeah, so that's it. It comes with filter with blue, you know, different colors of filter. I think it has. Wait, let me even show you guys the effect before I hang it. Let's see. This Black Friday, I said last year Black Friday I went crazy. This year I said no, I'm just going to buy only the things I need. That's what I did. So this is the blue light. The blue light. I think you can be in the background and give some kind of, you know, aesthetics or whatever. How is it called? And this is the red light. This is the pink light, right? Purple light. This is the green. I might not be using all these ones. The white light is the reason I bought it. So let me see. Yeah. Okay. Let me just scroll. Yeah, there's something here that goes in here. I don't know what it's for. And I think this one can be clipped to my phone. Let me just clip it now and see. Yeah, it's clipped to my phone. Let's see. It's clipped. Oh, but showing down. Just stay like this. Clipped to my phone now. Okay, so let me go to the skincare. I have the skincare here. So I bought this advanced nail mucin powder essence. A lot of people keep talking about this. This is my fourth bottle. It retails for 20 between 20 to $25, but I bought it for $11. To me, this one was a must-have. You know, I bought one of it, put it on the side. Then I bought the sister of it, the moisturizer. I've used it before. Trusted, tested, and trusted. I bought this one for it retails for $18 and I bought it for $9.99. Then I bought the rice. Just bought four stuffs. The rice toner was for $21. It retails for $21. I bought it for $11.99. And then the rice moisturizer retails for $23.99. I bought it for $12. So that's it for skincare. Let me just put them back. Now everything will not be like all over the place. My dear, it's not easy to film content, so my morale was a bit down, but I said, you know what? I will definitely put this video out there. My morale was down because just imagine after filming and unboxing, you know, the excitement of getting what you opening what you got for Black Friday, the good deals and all of that, and then you check you didn't film nothing. Oh my God, my morale was absolutely down. But I said, you know what? We move. Things happen, right? So I bought this dish soap for my dish soap and my hand soap. I have it, but the one I have is fading off. This one goes for $15. I bought it for $8.99. It was a steal to me, so I bought it. And then the biggest one of all, this one is my lighting. I really wanted to have. I've had this in my cart since October. I was like, Black Friday. You know how you're anticipating towards Black Friday in your head. You're putting things in your cart, and like even the ones you need, you don't need before Black Friday. You just remove some and take the most important ones, right? You know, I normally do like scale of preference, the one that I really need. So this one has been in my cart since October. I was waiting for it to go down. It retails for 210. You know, but I got it on Black Friday for $145. So let's see. Let's see. This one is the big box. The big box. So now I can be making my videos in the afternoon, in the night, anytime I want. Well, I hope I like it. I read the reviews. Before I buy things on Amazon, I normally read reviews to see what people are saying. Sometimes you even go ahead and buy and you might not like it, but most of the times the reviews are always correct. So let's see. Guys, I don't know how to fix stuff, or I have to call my husband to help me out to fix this. So this is how it comes. Comes this one and two. A set of two for $145. Now the price has gone back to, I checked and the price went back to $199. Now with tax it's come up to 200 plus. So this is it. Let me keep it aside. Oh, don't break you. Don't get my phone. I don't have money. Buy another one. This is the manual. This is the manual GVM. I'm going to study it and, you know, light it up and let's see the effect. Maybe my next video. Tell you guys. GVM filmmaker. Abi, don't be sorry they do unboxing. Yeah, video maker. What's this? Let me see. Well, out of all the things I bought, I'm excited about this light because these days, like I said, it's just now it's to 5 and it's looking like midnight already, but it's just to 5. So this is the charger. This is the stand for it. It comes with a bag. So after filming, you pack your mbumbu, you pack everything back. So this is the stand, like so. Let me see. I'm not good at fixing all this stuff, so that's a big, yeah. I really like to try this lines. Well, let me see. I'll try. Hey, I don't have a clue. Yeah. I will light it up and see. I'll show you guys. This is the second one. I still have time, just to 5, so I might as well just light it up and continue and end the video. So this is it. So guys, that's all the things I got for Amazon Black Friday. Let me know in the comment section if you bought any good deal on Black Friday, and let me know, out of all the things I bought, which one do you think is really a steal, like is indeed legit a steal? Leave it in the comment section. For me, I feel like all the things I got I got a good deal, and these are the things I really wanted, and I bought them. To be honest, I had like loads of things on my cart. Everything I got was everything I had on my cart was over $1,000 plus. But you know what? I was just removing because I told myself, like when you're psyching yourself before time, I told myself that before Black Friday, I was telling myself that, Wills, you have to do scale of preference. You know how they taught us scale of preference in secondary school? You have to take the most important. Think about what you want to buy. Like, have it rethink, think well before you buy anything. So that's what I did. I bought the necessary. To me, I bought the necessary things, the things that I really needed, and yeah. We have come to the end of the video, or should I just arrange this thing and show you guys? Well, if I'm gonna fix it today, if I'm up for it, if I fix it, I would come and end the video. But if not, let me just end the video right now, and maybe I'll show a clip of the light, But for now, bye guys. Thank you all for watching. To my subscribers, to my returning subscribers, you guys are the real you are the real G, man. And to my new subscribers, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, do all those good stuff. You know what I mean? Thank you. Bye for now. Bye bye.